We're only 60-ish days away from Christmas, so let's make some tasty fall cocktails while we still can, and let's start with the Calvados and Maple Highball. To make this one, you're gonna need some Calvados, maple syrup, sparkling water, and a lemon for the peel. First, you're gonna fill a highball glass with ice, and I'm using my beautiful clear ice. If you wanna know how I make this, I'm gonna link the video in the upper corner. Then you simply add 2 ounces of Calvados, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and 3 to 4 ounces of sparkling water. Then with a bar spoon, you're gonna give it a quick stir to incorporate all the ingredients together. Express a lemon zest across the top for the beautiful oils and aroma, and garnish the drink with the zest. This one tastes like bright fizzy apple with just a hint of maple. It is light and refreshing. We love it. Next up, we're gonna make the Rusty Gringo. Created in 2006 at the Bar Godot, it literally tastes like a smoky apple pie. Again, for this one, we're gonna need some Calvados, Talisker Ten as recommended by the bar team, and some Drambuie. First, in a mixing glass, you're gonna add 1 3/4 ounces of Calvados, 1/4 ounce of Talisker Ten, and 1/2 ounce of Drambuie. Next, we're simply gonna fill the mixing glass with ice, stir it for 20 to 30 seconds, and I'm telling you guys, this one smells incredibly good. Then we're simply gonna strain this in a beautiful double rocks glass with a big chunk of clear ice. And like I told you before, this one doesn't need no garnish because it is extremely fragrant. Cheers! Third on the list, we're gonna make an original of mine. We're gonna make the Normandie Cocktail Club. Again, for this one, we're gonna need some Calvados, Cognac, Belle de Brillet, some maple syrup, Angostura bitters, and lemon juice. So first, in your shaker, you're gonna add 1 ounce of Cognac, 3/4 ounce of Calvados, again 3/4 ounce of Belle de Brillet or another pear liqueur, 1/4 ounce of maple syrup, 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, you simply fill the shaker with ice, give it a good shake for 10 to 15 seconds, fine strain this in your favorite cocktail coupe, express a lemon zest across the top, and garnish the drink with the zest. This riff on the brandy crusta is the quintessence of fall flavor with just a little bit of refreshing. I highly recommend it. Last on the list, we're gonna make the American Trilogy, a fall riff on the old-fashioned created at the Milk and Honey. So again, for this one, we're gonna need some Calvados, Rye Whiskey, orange bitters, Demerara gum syrup, I'm gonna link the recipe in the upper corner, and also an orange for the garnish. So first, in a mixing glass, you're gonna add 1 ounce of Rye Whiskey, 1 ounce of Calvados, 1/4 ounce of our Demerara gum syrup, and a couple of dashes of orange bitters. Next, you simply fill the mixing glass with ice, stir it for 20 to 30 seconds, strain this over ice in a beautiful double rocks glass, and for the garnish, we're gonna express an orange zest across the top, garnish the drink with the zest, and there you have it, the American Trilogy. The pairing of the 2 spirits is just a match made in heaven. Perfectly spicy, perfectly fruity. It's just a wonderful riff on the old-fashioned. So there you have it, my friends. This was 4 easy and tasty fall cocktails. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And we're gonna see each other very soon. Cheers.